Fastest way to make money right now. No capital, no scams. Actionable steps you can take today. Introduction. Money is one of those things that almost everyone needs urgently at some point. Whether it's rent, bills, groceries, or emergencies, having cash on hand is critical. But what if you don't have a job, savings, or special skills? Does that mean you're stuck waiting for luck or someone else to help? Absolutely not. This book will show you the fastest, simplest, and most reliable ways to start making money right now, even if you're starting from zero. These methods don't require any upfront investment, expensive equipment, or advanced training. Most importantly, they are all legal, safe, and proven to work. You'll learn 4 powerful methods. Sell something you already own. Offer same-day services. Walk into local businesses and ask for cash jobs. Use quick online platforms that pay. Each method is explained step by step with real examples, scripts you can copy, and advice on how to get started immediately. By the end, you'll have a clear action plan to get cash in your hands starting today. Method 1. Sell something you already own. This is the absolute fastest way to get money into your pocket. The truth is, you already own things that someone else wants to buy. You just need to realize their value and turn them into cash. What can you sell? Look around you right now. These are some items that usually sell quickly. Old smartphones and electronics. Even if they're not brand new or the latest model, many people buy used phones and gadgets. Some want them for parts, others want affordable options. Shoes and clothes, especially if they're in good condition, branded or trendy. Small appliances, coffee makers, blenders, headphones, gaming consoles, or even kitchen gadgets.
Accessories, bags, watches, sunglasses, things you no longer use but others may want. How to sell fast. To sell quickly, price your items slightly lower than what people expect. For example, if a phone normally sells for $200, try listing it for $170 or $180. This price drop makes buyers eager to act quickly. Where to sell. Use online local marketplaces where buyers and sellers meet instantly. Facebook Marketplace, a popular and trusted platform for local sales. Kijiji, another great place, especially in Canada. Local Facebook groups or WhatsApp community groups. Often, people in your neighborhood want to buy things without shipping hassles. How to create a winning listing. Take clear photos. Use natural light and take multiple angles. Write an honest description. Include the brand, model, condition, and any defects. Be clear about the price. State if it's firm or negotiable. Include contact info. Make it easy for buyers to reach you. Example listing. Selling gently used iPhone 8, 64 gigabytes, unlocked. No cracks on the screen, works perfectly. Price $175 firm. Available for quick pickup today. Why this works. People often don't realize they have valuable items lying around. Selling even 1 or 2 things can give you cash quickly, and it's a great way to declutter at the same time. Method 2. Offer same-day services. If you prefer earning money by working rather than selling things, offering services that people need immediately is a fantastic option. People pay for help, especially when they need things done fast.
Services that pay same day. These services are in demand and pay cash right away. Cleaning, homes, apartments, or offices. Babysitting or pet sitting. Parents and pet owners often need help. Yard work, mowing lawns, shoveling snow, raking leaves. Moving help, carrying boxes and furniture. Running errands, grocery shopping or delivering items. How to find clients quickly. Post a clear, simple message in your local community groups on Facebook, WhatsApp, or physical notice boards. Sample message. Hi everyone, I'm available today for cleaning, yard work, errands, or moving help. Reliable and affordable. Message me to book. Setting your price. Charge around $20 to $40 per hour depending on the task and your location. The goal is to be affordable enough to get hired, but still make real cash. Why this works. Many people are willing to pay cash immediately if it means getting a task done today. It's convenient and solves their problem, which means they'll gladly pay for it. Method 3. Walk into local businesses and ask for cash jobs. Sometimes the fastest way to get money is the old-fashioned way, showing up in person and asking. Where to go? Businesses that often need extra help and might pay cash on the spot include Restaurants, dishwashing, bussing tables, or cleaning. Small retail shops, stocking shelves or cleaning. Construction sites, labor assistance. Event centers, setup and cleanup crew. How to approach employers. When you walk in, be polite and confident. Hi, my name is Jack. I'm available today for any cash work you might have. I'm reliable and ready to start immediately. Tips for success. Dress neatly and be presentable. Bring work gloves or shoes if you can. Ask for payment at the end of your shift. Be friendly and professional. Why this works. Employers often need quick help and prefer hiring someone who shows up ready to work. Walking in person creates trust and shows initiative, two qualities that get jobs fast.
Method 4. Use quick online platforms that pay. If you want to work from home or online, there are legitimate platforms that pay for simple tasks. What you can do online: complete surveys, watch ads or videos, test apps or websites, do micro tasks like data entry or transcription. Recommended platforms: Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, Timebucks. How it works: sign up for free, complete tasks, and get paid once you reach a minimum payout amount. Payments usually happen via PayPal or gift cards. Be careful of scams. Never pay to join a platform, and avoid any site asking for your credit card or personal information up front. Why this works? Though it's not a way to get rich, this method puts small amounts of money in your pocket quickly, especially if you're patient and consistent. Avoiding scams. Red flags to watch out for. Money emergencies make us vulnerable to scams. Here are warning signs. Being asked to pay upfront fees. Get-rich-quick promises. Secret groups promising fast cash. Crypto signals or investments asking for money. Always research companies and trust your instincts. Final action plan. Here's what you can do right now. Identify and list 3 items you can sell today. Post your service offer in 3 local groups. Visit 5 nearby businesses and ask for cash jobs. Taking even one of these actions can put money in your hands within 24 hours. Closing thoughts. You have more power than you think. Money responds to action. The fastest way to make money is to take immediate, practical steps. Don't wait for permission. Start now.